What's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to share how you can enhance the battery life of your device running iOS 18.4. So in this video, I'm going to share some tips. I'm not going to, stretch this video without any reason. I'm just going to make to the point things. The first thing first is, if you really want to have a good battery life, what you need to do is you need to charge your device in a good way. So to charge it in a good way, you need to use good chargers, good cables, and MFI cables and MFI chargers are something that is completely recommended by me. If you are gonna buy any charger, make sure that is MFI, which means made for iPhone. You can check that on Google. So use these things. Don't go for the cheap copy products that can run the battery life. And with the cheap products, the phone will not charge properly. And it is obvious that when the phone is not charged properly, how it will like run properly. So that this is why try to use good things. Now here are some of the settings that you can always do to enhance the battery life of your device. So go into the privacy and security. Privacy and security is one of the most important thing when it comes to lot of stuff that is running in the background. So go over here, come into the tracking, turn it off. It will like off for everyone. Keep this off. Always keep this off. Go to the location. Now over here you can see some of the apps have never and some are like while using. So you can also customize the location for your device. Many people when they are using the device they choose always option. Always option will be like consuming battery life in the background, and it will this is not a good option to be turned on, being very honest. So you can choose while using, or you can go for the never. It will be a way better option, and this way you will be able to enhance the battery life of your device. Now go all the way down, go into the system services. Over here customize the system services according to your choice. Under the product improvement, under this section over here, turn this off, turn this off, and also turn this off. And by doing this you will be able to enhance the battery life. If you don't use HomeKit, just turn it off. And if you don't use Compass, turn it off. You don't need these things to be turned on. And alerts and shortcut automations, you can just keep them on. But yeah, you can customize overhead something like this. Now go back from here and go back over here. Go all the way down into the motion and fitness. If you don't want your device to track your steps, just turn this off. And because when the fitness tracking is on, it is tracking your body, your movement 24 hours. And for sure, that will be consuming a lot of battery life. So, what you can do is just turn this off and it will enhance the battery life of your device. Now, from here, go all the way down into the analytics and improvement. Turn it off, something like this. As you can see, when it is on, it is sharing data with the Apple so they can improve their upcoming products and do all those stuff. But you don't need that. You should care about the battery life of your device. So just turn this off to now. Go back from here. Now go into the Apple advertising and turn off the personalized ads. Now by doing these settings, you will be able to enhance the battery life of your device very very easily. Now here's the bonus tip. When you go over here into the battery section, and you will get tips from here like insights and suggestions. You can also follow these suggestions. For example, it is giving me suggestion of auto lock, so I can turn on the auto lock to enhance the battery life. So you can check what suggestions you are getting over here. Also you can go over here into the charging section. You can keep it to 90%, or if you really like go out a lot you can go for the 95, but I keep it 90%. I never charge it to 100%. If you don't have this option over here, maybe you have any other iPhone, so you can turn on the optimized battery charging. It is also a really good option. Now, these are some of the ways through which you can enhance the battery life of your iPhone running iOS 18.4. Even if you're running any other iOS, you can do these stuff, you can follow these steps, and it is going to enhance the battery life. Now, here's an important thing to understand. When you follow these steps, don't expect the battery life to get better right away. It will take couple of days to get better because iOS always take couple of days to get better. Well, this is all from this video, and I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.